Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection for our usual Blu-ray update of the week. Today I'm going to show you the new Blu-ray from DreamWorks, How to Train Your Dragon, called Gift of the Night Fairy and Book of Dragons. This is a 2-disc combo with Blu-ray and DVD. Comes with a really nice glossy and colorful slipcover. There's nothing embossed, it's just pretty much glossy and very colorful. Has the same artwork, front and back. And also comes with this card. Let's see here, it says it's an online video game card. Test your skills in the Dragons online video game, where you battle and train new dragons, win badges, and become the ultimate dragon trainer. Pretty cool. So let's open here and let me show you the artwork inside. Comes with a flyer inside explaining how to play this video game online. It's pretty simple. All you gotta do is go to dreamworksdragons.com, put your code, and start playing. Really nice. So here we have, they look almost exactly the same. So this is the DVD, the silver one, and the blue, of course, is Blu-ray. Comes in a nice case for change. So now let me show you the special features here. Gift has 22 minutes and comes with English 7.1 Dolby True HD, as well as French, Spanish and Portuguese Dolby Digital 5.1. But Book of Dragons only has 17 minutes and only comes with English Dolby True HD. No French, no Spanish, no Portuguese. As for subtitles, they both have the same: English, French, Spanish and Portuguese. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more Blu-ray updates. Thanks again and see you next time.